everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So today is a very special episode because my roommate Grace and I are at Disneyland. I don't know if you can hear me, so I have to scream. But it's Christmas time. Oh yeah. Seriously. It's Christmas time and all the decorations are up. I think it's the first weekend that the decorations are up. And I'm really excited. And it looks great. Splash Mountain. And as we were waiting in line, guess who we saw? Who did we see, Grace? Chris Clemens. Chris Clemens, who is a YouTuber. If you don't know who he is, but you're watching my channel, like what are you doing? What are you doing?
I mean, no insults to you. But he's really funny.
He's really funny. He's really famous. He's hilarious. We saw him and we had a meltdown. I almost dropped my phone off here.
That was my fault.
It was real intense. It was fantastic. Yeah, anyway, stay tuned.
We need to at him in the comments.
Yeah,
so that he knows
follow me on Instagram because you'll see what I said. It's the line moving. But yeah. Stay tuned for the rest of the video. It's really
Just stay seated. Your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the lock, and be sure to watch your kids.
Tell me when the drop is. Woo!
Like, that's the first drop. That's what we're coming to.
Okay. Yeah, having a good time?
I'm having a great time.
Having a great time. So, can you see my glasses? Focus on my glasses, they're all dirty. We just did the drop and I got soaked, but it was so worth it. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh.
I felt so alive. My feet weren't touching.
Oh my gosh. I feel so alive.
Adorned and deranged.
Grace is sick. It's too loud. We're going on Indiana Jones next. You ready? We ready? Kara, so just wave at the camera. Hi!
All I'm worried about is vlogging, okay?
Is vlogging.
timeless youth and
The door not open.
All